Hey guys, this is Michael with FUZED LED, and today I'm here to show you our F1 Plus 2.0 series bulbs. Now these are even brighter than our regular F1 Plus series, and they're smaller, so they're going to fit inside of your headlight housing even easier. If you have a 13 to 19 RAM with factory projector headlights, these are going to be the best option on the market for you. Our low beam kit comes with CAN bus decoders. The high beam kit doesn't require them. We're going to go ahead and walk you through how to put these in your RAM headlights. Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and take the dust cover off the back of the headlight. You're going to remove the 5 screws or bolts that hold it on. Once you have it off, you can disconnect the low beam bulb. Once you have it disconnected, you can spin it counterclockwise until it releases from the assembly. Now you can go ahead and remove the high beam bulb as well. Just disconnect it and spin it counterclockwise. We're going to go ahead and install the high beam LED bulb first because there isn't much room inside this headlight assembly. It'll make it easier to go ahead and put the high beam in first. Now when you connect it, make sure the red wire or the colored wire is lined up with the positive symbol on the connector, and the black wire is lined up with the negative symbol. Now it's kind of hard to get this bulb down in here because there's not much room, but it will fit, and once you get it in there, you can just spin it clockwise until it locks. Once it's locked, you can spin it counterclockwise inside of the base to align it. You want the wire going straight down with LED chips facing left and right. Now you can go ahead and tuck the wire and the driver down in the assembly. Now this is our low beam bulb, and it comes with a CAN bus decoder. You'll plug that up to the LED bulb. Make sure the plus and the minus symbols line up together. Once you have it connected, you can go ahead and install it inside of the headlight assembly. Spin it clockwise till it locks, and you can spin it back counterclockwise inside of the base to align it. You want the wire going straight up or down, the LED chips facing left and right. Now you can connect it to the assembly. Make sure the plus symbol lines up with the colored wire and the negative symbol lines up with the black wire. Now we can tuck the CAN bus decoder and the driver inside of the headlight assembly. Now when you do this, make sure that you don't block any of the fans on the LED bulbs. Alright, now we can put the cover back on the back of the headlight. Just place it back.